Pullback strategy. Greetings and welcome to today's trading session. In this session, our advanced algorithmic trading system executed a trade using the pullback strategy, with a specific focus on Establishment Labs Holdings Incorporated, ESTA. Let's delve into a comprehensive analysis of our real-time trading performance for the day, highlighting this particular trade. At precisely 15:06 p.m., our algorithm identified a potential price continuation rally following the pullback from a recent high, aligning with our pullback long strategy. It promptly issued a buy order for ESTA shares at a purchase price of $27.46. Following the entry into positions, ESTA prices moved up as anticipated. 5 minutes later, at 15:11 p.m., the algorithmic trading system exited half of the ESTA position at a price per share of $27.92 to secure profits, resulting in a gain of 1.68%. The algorithmic trading system continued monitoring the price movement of ESTA. At 15:18 p.m., the system identified that the rally was potentially fading. It exited the remaining ESTA position at a per-share price of $27.56, resulting in a gain of 0.36%. For a more comprehensive analysis of this specific trade, we encourage you to review today's live streaming session. Thank you for joining us on this insightful trading journey. Stay tuned for further analytical updates and strategic insights. Happy trading!